Welcome. In this video we are going to learn Becon flooding using mdk3. mdk3 is a proof of concept tool. It is used for stress testing 802.11 network, that is Wi-Fi. It consists of various methods by which we can perform tests. Some of the major methods are Becon flooding, deauthentication, WPA DOS, etc. In pen test, mdk is used for testing the network infrastructures having 802.11 implementations and ensuring compliance standards. Let's open up terminal, type ifconfig. Here you see that my line 0 interface. Type irmon-ng check. Using the check option will display any process that might be troublesome, and the check kill option will kill them for you. The three processes are running. Let's kill them using kill command. Type irmon-ng check kill. Let's run kill command again. Now no process is running over here. Let's start the monitor interface using irmon-ng start LAN 0. Now our wireless LAN interface is in monitor mode. Type mdk3. You can see that usage of mdk3 mdk3-help test mode for test options. The option the Becon flood mode sends Becon frame to show fake access points at clients. This can sometimes crash network scanners and even drivers. Authentication DOS mode sends authentication frames to all access points found in the range. Too much clients freeze or reset some access points. Basic probing and SSID brute force mode probes access point and check for answer, useful for checking if SSID has been correctly declared or if access point is in your adapter sending range. SSID brute forcing is also possible with this test mode. Deauthentication or disassociation AMOK mode kicks everybody found from access point and so on. See all the access points nearby and fix your target. Type irmon-ng line 0 mon. This will show all the Wi-Fi access point, including hidden ones nearby. From this we get a lot of information: the access points, MAC IDs, clients, channel on which access point broadcast, etc. Here only one access point is there, which will be our target. This video features creating fake access points in different SSIDs, that is broadcast name, at a very fast rate. This may crash some clients or wireless repeating access points or range extenders, etc. Let's launch Becon flooding attack against channel 11. Type mdk3 LAN 0 mon B-C 11. Here we can see in the mobile fake Wi-Fi access points. So that's it in this video on Becon flooding using mdk3. Thank you for watching this video.